Hello everyone, Gomes here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Symfony on AWS Lambda. To do it, we will use Symfony Skeleton and Breath as well. To follow my steps, you must have PHP, Composer, Docker, AWS CLI, and AWS SAM. All of these stuffs are listed in this video description. So no worry and let's go. First, we must basically create our Symfony app, and to do it, we are using the Composer. Composer, create project, Symfony website, skeleton, and the name of the project, Symfony Lambda. Okay, the installation is finished, so we are going to run. We need to access the project. Okay, and run the server locally using PHP built-in server. So PHP being /console server start. Okay. It's running on localhost port 88,000. Great. Welcome to Symfony 4.3.2. Now the skeleton is up. We want to create a simple page to use at least request and response workflow. And to do it, we are going to use a Symfony lucky number example, where it gets a random number. So I'm going to open the add-on with our project here. And first of all, we will create a route. And the route for our lucky number. So app lucky number, path, root path, and controller add /controller/lucky controller number method. Great. And the lucky controller. PHP inside this root namespace app controller, and the name of class is lucky controller. Okay, the method, as we already add on route, is a number, and here we will get the random number. So variable number equal to random int from 0 to 100, and return the new response. The new response will pass some test such as lucky number, close the H1 with number. Okay. In order to use this response, we must use it and use Symfony component HTTP foundation response. Okay, let's refresh our page and check our random number. Okay, perfect, awesome. As you can see, we have a Symfony web app with a simple page giving us a random number. To make it ready for AWS Lambda, we need the breath. Let's install it using Composer. So Composer required breath. The breath is in our project. Now we must add the template YAML, which is our Lambda configuration file. No worry about the content of this file, because this project is full in my GitHub and Gist. So let's create and paste it. Okay. The template.yaml. I'm getting the content. The content is basically the function name and the event, the output, simple things to work on AWS Lambda. Great. Now we must make a simple change on our project. Until this video, the file system on AWS Lambda is ready only, except for the /tmp directory. It means that we must change where the cache and the logs are stored. And we do it on the source kernel. Here we will basically add the two methods called getLogGear and getCacheGear, where we will let the Symfony knows to handle this path when we are in Lambda. So I'm also copying and paste here. So the content is basically check if we are in Lambda and change the log for TMP, and it's the same for the cacheGear. And okay, check if everything keeps okay on our project. Okay, it's perfect. And also, it's better to try run it inside the development environment before deploy to AWS Lambda. And you say, Guy, we are already running on development environment. Yeah, but not on the example, the really development like serverless environment. And to do it, we will use the serverless application management, the SAM. And it's quite simple to run the local environment. We need just to type SAM local start API. Great. And now it's running on localhost, but in this port 3000. Let's try it. And as you can see here, it's debugging what's going on. What SAM does here is basically building locally the AWS Lambda container based on our template and run only when we request this path. So as you can see, lucky number 5. And in the background, let's open another tab here. We will see that the Docker is run. But Docker runs only during the request. So as you can see, I type Docker PS and we can solve the image, and now it's no longer able. That's because the request was finished. And that's always quite simple, and it's great to run it locally. And yeah, we can say that we are running on AWS Lambda environment, but only on local environment. Let's deploy it on the real AWS Lambda. And to do it, we need just follow 3 steps. First, we must create an AWS S3 bucket to store our app project. So let's do it using AWS CLI, AWS S3 MB to create bucket, S3 // the name is Gomes, my name, and I will start a project there in this bucket. Okay, this bucket is created. Now use SAM to create a package. So SAM package / template file, and the template file that we created, and the output template file, the output after create the package is called, okay, I need to fix the size of this window, or better, template file, it's better do it in another line. Okay, the template file template YAML, and the output template file is serverless output YAML, and the bucket S3 bucket, the bucket that I created, Gomes. Okay, the package is finished, and now we are going to deploy it. So SAM deploy / template file, the template that we get the output, so output YAML, and the name of our stack name, Symfony Lambda, and the capabilities, EM, because we have EM resources in our Lambda, we need to use it. Great, so just let's wait. Awesome, it's done. Now let's get the URL of our Lambda. So AWS Cloud Formation, describe stacks, I think is this name, and the name of our stack is Symfony Lambda. Describe stacks, I think we must pass the stack name. Stack name, Symfony Lambda. Okay, we get the information of our stack, and here, as you can see, we can get the API. Let's curl it. Okay, we get the lucky number on AWS. Let's do it here. Awesome, it's working. Okay, so it works. Now we are running on Symfony on AWS Lambda, and we can use all of AWS services as much as we need. And okay, guys, that's all. I hope this helps, and see you later. Bye bye.